Hey everybody, it's Jack here, and I am cooking up a breakfast pizza. So this one is called the Sunnyside. All right guys, this is a pretty unique pizza. It's a little harder to build, but man, it is so worth it at the end. But anyway, let's dive right into this. We're gonna start with making our sauce. This is just, take some cream. This is about a half a cup. We're gonna put probably, about a teaspoon of salt in there. Throw some cracked pepper. Take your dough around. Again, just kind of use whatever dough you like to use. This is our recipe. It is on the Camp Chef blog. Just take your dough, start in the middle, and we start working out. We want to make sure that we use the integrity of all those gases. Do not use a rolling pin on your dough. Okay, just make sure you get some flour down on your pill. Now we're gonna start building this pizza, but we build this one a little bit different. I took some potatoes, I sliced them about the thickness of a dime, and then I blanched them really quick. Just kind of par cook them. I'm gonna take some of this cream. We're just gonna drizzle it over those potatoes. And then I'm gonna go with the cheese. But this is a smoked sharp cheddar. Next, we're gonna take bacon. We're just gonna kind of pull that apart. Now this bacon I pre-smoked. So I smoked it 225, about an hour and a half. It's got a nice, good smoky flavor on it. And then we're gonna take some prosciutto. And I like to put the prosciutto on top. That way, it's ultra thin. That way I can get it crispy with that heat of the oven. See how we got the hole right here? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack 2 eggs on this bad boy. Now you gotta be pretty quick about this because you don't want your dough to get soggy and then it'll stick. Make sure it moves. And into the oven. I like to run mine about 600 to 650. All right, this is done. Our whites are set. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Oh man, that looks beautiful. We got good color all the way around. Our prosciutto's crisped up. Our whites are set. Our yolks are still runny. We're gonna let this sit and rest for just a second. All right, guys, we're gonna top this off with a little maple syrup. It's time to cut into this. Oh, look at that. Man, that is such a good pizza. If you guys want to see some more recipes for the pizza oven, go ahead and check out the website, and we'll see you guys later.